So guys, the hostel dog has given birth to lots of puppies. Here's my phone too. Oh, hey girl. I'm gonna show her right in her face. Look at them, they're so cute. There's so many. Oh wow, there's so many. Look at the little leggies. Look at the little legs. There's 8. Is that right? That's what Thingy said. Is it? Aye. Hey, little puppies. Guys, what are we saying about the new shoes? Got these last night. Million dong, which is like £30. Very high quality, nice.
The small one, they get the longer, narrow one, longer, you know, longer, similar to lychee. Do you know lychee?
Yeah, no lychee. Maybe like £1,000 back home. All the seasoning, more fresh veg.
I love pineapple.
Not bitter lemon, no. Bitter melon. So when we cut smaller, and we use this one to cook by the soup or stir fry with the egg. Very good for eating. Stir fry with the egg, huh? Do you know this one?
No, what is this?
They get the green pepper. Green pepper.
Green
Very
pepper.
spicy. Oh yeah, spicy. For me, I don't know how much. Maybe it's the same. Yeah. Okay, Thai basil. For Thai basil, we give to enjoy with the soup later. Smell, please. Smell.
Oh, it's like mint.
No, Thai basil. The basil.
Thai basil.
And Thai green curry.
Oh yeah. And this one we use for the soup as well. Vietnamese noodle soup with flavor.
It smells quite minty.
That's not mint.
No, it's not. It's Thai basil.
Thank you, it's basil. You knew it.
And this one, you know the regular coriander, the small one. And the long one, this one we call the cilantro or Chinese coriander. Yeah, cilantro. Different in your country here. Smell, please, just smell it.
Oh, I love that so much. I love that so much.
Someone don't like, you see. Yeah. Someone don't like.
I love coriander so much, guys. I love it.
Okay, shopping bag. Another. Thank you. Okay. Another thing. Milk apple. Other one. Oyster apple. Yeah. And this one, the other one. This one is the guava.
Guava.
And you know, and the green one that is the orange. Other one.
Orange.
Me and Jimbo were having a very important conversation. We were thinking about which of these fruits would be the best to put inside your bum.
Yeah.
I think this one. But Jimbo likes this one.
Oh, he likes that.
On the way down, you know?
I don't know how hard it is. I kind of like this one, but I might put it up my urethra.
Spiky.
Urethra thing.
Urethra ting. Respect.
Alright guys, we're headed on the bamboo boats, I think. Is it bamboo boats?
Bamboo boat.
The spinny boats. Yoo-hoo!
Sao mà ok nhiều.
Yeah.
One by one. Yeah.
Hey.
One, two. Go on, enjoy. Okay.
Go on then, the boy.
Right there next.
I'm gonna Cuties. Couple of cuties. Hey!
Go.
Look at his face already. Oh my god, look at him.
I laugh a bit funny.
Did you see the girl falling on TikTok?
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Cooking tour. Check, fit check. Come on. Your boy's a chef. Chimbo, look, you look so gimpy.
So we need two people to do like this. I will show you first, and then you can try. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Two first. Move first. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Harder, stronger. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah.
Say that again. Get the big style, Jay.
He's got a stinking it up.
Oh mate, you're spilling the rice all over the gap.
So you know.
The pieces are touching.
Are you feeling now?
You went first last time.
Let's do please. Anyone else?
Harder. Harder, faster.
Faster.
Oh.
2, 1, 2.
Oh yeah. They know how to share a bird. Do they?
1. Okay, so I want to eat the whole, okay? So you can see, yeah, the whole like this, and one. And I know we open it. I want to open it. Inside we have the onion. I will show you how to. 1, 2, 3. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the soya, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. With the sugar, we get 1 flat teaspoon of sugar, not heat. I don't want. So again, 3, 1, 1. Can you remember? One add the vitamin hoisin, peanut butter. But no garlic. I don't want no garlic. Then I will stir. I stir for sugar dissolve. The spoon to get the oil. Half tablespoon of oil go into the pan. With the cold oil, we add the garlic in. I don't want cold oil. When you see the garlic change the color like this, please have a look. I don't want. Change the color like this, please have a look. We move the pan away. Move the pan away and slowly add the sauce here into the pan. Again and one again. When the garlic turns the golden brown, take the pan off the heat and then put the sauce in. Because you know, if you leave the pan on the heat, will make the flambe, the fire, burn your eyebrow. Huh? Move the pan away to be safer, please. And then we cook for the sauce. We will cook for the sauce when the sauce thicker. Peanut butter, we make the sauce thicker. I don't want. Just use the long.
Oh yeah, I should have done it like that, innit?
Hey guys, look at my food.
A little bit. Not too low, I don't want. Medium. So we don't stir for the cake. I don't want. Don't stir because you know if you stir for the cake, very easily become the shrimp cake. I don't want. Don't stir. Just keep on the heat and waiting for the cake crispy. While waiting for the cake crispy, I will show you how we make the dipping sauce. And
Oh, I don't think I got. Oh yeah, I did get it. Hey, come on, that was light work for you.
ready now.
All right, so let's get me. Right, let's flip this joint. Is it good? I think so. Strain the oil. What do you do?
Just get it over like halfway. Or like whatever you can do, and then
Come on, John. Oh no! Oh no! Oh yay!
Alright guys, this is my Vietnamese pancake.
Come on. I'm gonna enjoy this. I actually quite like the taste test.
You're doing okay?
I love that vlog.
No, I don't want. In the other side slowly. Like this. Okay, like this. And then hold the handle stir this first. And if you want too much, just blend it. And go the pan. I don't want. Use the pan. Stir. Faster. Big circle. If you don't want too much fire more, anyone, you just stop stirring and stop fire if you want. Yeah, okay, again. You stop second.
So you just stop stirring and just wipe across. Okay.
And stop stirring, stop fire.
That's so cool.
Third one, after flambé, you hold the handle stir a little bit like this and one. And now you can see it. And now you can see it. The oil is gone, my beef already done. I don't want, very quick. About 10 to 15 seconds, very quick like this. And now put the beef on top of the noodle.